Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to restore deleted Play Store on any Android phone. Now, if you cannot find the Play Store app on your home screen or on your app drawer, and if you want to restore the deleted Play Store on your smartphone, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Then go to Apps and tap on the three lines and enable Show System Apps. And in the search bar, just search Play Store. Now just tap on Google Play Store and tap on Enable. And once you do that, you will restore the deleted Play Store on your smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can restore deleted Play Store on any Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.